What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the garage today working on the Doodle Buggy. We're going to be adding some armrests and cup holders to the back seat area. So we had some company for the holidays and we took a little booze cruise around the neighborhood and we realized that they don't have anywhere to hold their drink. So we're going to fix that today. See, if you look here on the back of the cart, there's no cup holders and there's no armrests either. So let me open up the box here that I ordered. We'll see what we're working with. So I got these off of Amazon, of course, the best place ever. There's a lot of options available, but these have a feature specifically, and the reason I chose these that I'll show you in just a second. The brackets for these, for the front, have this extended support bar that goes out to help support the outer side of the armrest. And that'll be easier to understand once we start putting them together. A lot of the kits that I saw just had the box and they didn't have the extra support out here. So I got these specifically because I think they're going to hold up better. These are the armrests themselves. Nice faux leather. It's wrapped around on the bottom and it's stapled really nicely, even around the holes. The cup holder inserts are nice. Nice thick foam. Got drain holes inside the cup holder there. The instructions that come with it are pretty basic. It even comes with the screwdriver needed to put it all together. I don't think we're really going to need these. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll keep them handy just in case we run into an issue. So I'm going to get started putting these together, and then we'll figure out where to place them on the cart so that they line up with your arm and the cup holder is reachable. These are clamp-on as opposed to drill, so they are adjustable. Once you get them on the railing there, you can move them forward and back and then tighten them down where you want them to be. Alright, so these instructions leave a little bit to be desired. Let me get it out of the plastic here so that it doesn't have a glare on it. Step 1 is attach the brackets to the armrest using the screws as shown below. You have to look really closely to tell that these two screws do not match that screw. So these two use the slanted head, and then the one on the support bracket uses the flat button head. There's also 2 lock washers that come with the kit, and they're listed on the parts list, but no mention as to where they go. So I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and get the brackets installed on the armrests, and then we'll get them placed on the cart and try to figure out where we want to put them. Alright, a few things to note with this install. You have to be sure that you don't put any washers under these. Somehow in my bag of hardware, a couple of washers slid over some of these, so I thought at first that they needed washers. But they won't fit on the brackets on the rails of the cart with washers underneath them. There is washers underneath the pan heads though, so you got to make sure you put them under there but not under these. Also make sure that the nut is on the inside. That's the way it is in the instructions here. So just a couple of things to watch for. Also, these pan heads, I hit a little bit of resistance putting those in, like they were hitting something, but they ended up going all the way in. So you may hit a little resistance, but they do go. They're a little bit longer than the other screws, so I was concerned with them hitting something in there and tearing it up, but they fit, so we're good. All right, so I'm up here on the cart. I got them laid in place loosely. You can see here the arm fits pretty good. Elbows up, reach my cup. Everything looks good. I haven't smashed them all the way down yet because there's a rubber piece in here, and it seems that once you mash that all the way on, it's going to be hard to get it back off. So I just lightly applied it just to get a feel for it, and I like that there. I think that's going to be a good reach for all of it. So I'm going to go with that and match it to the other side, and we'll be good. All right, let's measure it up, make sure the other side matches, and then we'll tighten them down. So as of right now, I'm going to have to not suggest this model of armrests. I'm having a hell of a time getting them installed. The holes here are just too high up. So even though it's all the way down, there's no gap, this bolt will not tilt enough to line up with the hole. And it's very frustrating. So I'm still working on it. I've removed some of the rubber padding that was under there to see if that would give me enough, but it's super thin, so it didn't give me much. I'm gonna keep working on it, but these may have to go back. We'll see. All right, with a little persuasion and some cursing, I managed to get them on there. I ended up having to use a drill and open these holes down slightly to allow enough room for that screw to straighten out and go into the nut on the other side. But they are now secure. I don't know if there's a difference in size on these rails, if different carts have different sizes, but mine seems to be like just millimeters bigger than what's supposed to be for these armrests, so it's kind of frustrating, but it looks like I'm going to be able to make them work, so I'm going to go ahead and get the other side installed. So far, they seem very sturdy. I mean, they are rock solid. I can move the whole cart with them, so I like them so far. I just wish they were easier to install. Let me get the other side going, and then we'll check them out. All right, so the other side went a little bit smoother. The back one here dropped right in and screwed in, no problem. The front one I had to massage a little bit with the drill, but they are on there. They are solid. I like them. I think they're going to be a good fit. They're going to be comfortable. You'll be able to rest your arm up there, hold on to your drink. Booze cruises will be much better now that the backseat passengers have somewhere to booze their cruise. Right there. I don't have a cup to show you, but it would fit right there. I think I like it. Edit. Found a cup. Cup fits. I can hold the cup. I can drink the cup. Yep. That's going to work. One thing I have seen mentioned in some of the reviews is that it stops this seat from flipping out. Mine works. But the person that reviewed them and said that included a picture, and they had the armrests on the wrong side. So this curved part was on the inside. And of course, that's going to stop the seat from moving. So as long as you install them correctly with the round part on the outside, your back seat flip out still works. So that's all good. All right, so that's it for this one. It was a quick little project. We got some company coming over next weekend, so we'll be able to test them out, do a little booze cruise around the neighborhood, and I'll be able to update then whether I really like them or not. But so far, I think they're going to be a hit. They look pretty good. They fit well. I like it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today in the garage. I hope you enjoyed this little quick instructional video. Hopefully it helps you get yours installed. If you like what I'm doing, if it's helped you at all, please subscribe to the channel. That way you can get updates when I do more stuff. If you have some comments or questions, post those up. I'll answer any questions or anything as best as I can. For now, that's going to be it from Blake's Garage. You guys stay safe and rock on.